Hello friends, assalamu alaikum. How are you? I am fine. Thank you very much. Best of luck, my friend. Please subscribe my channel and your valuable comment, like, share. Friends, my class and my lecture today's my videos very important. The five type of search importance and search in optimization and lead generation. Five type to important the search in optimization and lead generation. The very important part of search in my channel total guidelines of search in optimization, search in optimization and total guidelines my channel. Optimize your company website performance including first speed, clean navigator and submitted the sitemaps to each your website ranking. Use an search engine optimization SEO blocks strategy to track balance between targeted high volumes and high competitor keywords and low volume and low competitor keywords. Invest is backlink strategy is increase your domain authorized and gain more traffic and them. Search engine optimization strategy, SEO strategy for search engine optimization, and refer to the step taken improve your site performance to rank and engage. Search engine result page, SERPs, and effective search engine optimization strategy can be powerful lead generation tools and always your attach and proof of the potential customer search from the product and service and depend with your digital advertising budget. Search engine optimization, the lead generation can be regular high quality competitor digital marketing channel according to the search engine of backlinks. The That's the example and keyword and your real estate business and your USA real estate business, United States of American, the local keywords and local backlinks and local site, the high quality backlinks and United States and just like New York, California, San Francisco, Los Angeles, and Florida, Miami, and there's Texas, Dallas, etc., etc. But the local search and optimization and digital a high competitive digital marketing channel and the search engine optimization and lead generation, the backlinks. The number of search engine result gain over the 28% traffic. The 10 time more like the because can the others result and each and the board first page. There are effective advertising strategy to help your business website rank high and on quality high qualities and the search engine optimization discover the potential search engine optimization lead generation tips the business on the important and do the attract more customer. The search engine optimization lead generation in just the above keyword. Well, the research of search engine result don't just from number of keywords type of the web page, website, search engine, and another top solve and site that delivers the positive user experience with your switch and the content marketing strategy. But your traffic can be designed another traffic source and the high quality content can your website values and search engine as like your the short keyword or long keyword, the real estate keyword. The slow site is speed and cold the from large medium favorite video full the reports and the many plugin customer front and CSS visit speed web development performance tools and etc etc. But for speed your sitemap and elements your website and relation between should be can easy negative so the Google search console be link your blogs for the homepage with your top and praise the independent crow and web values web visitors. A crow web visitor and report so performance can the permanently raise a large and competence with scam. It is the development, understand website and values your reports. The create and search engine optimization lead generation strategy with the 5 tips. The rank high quality search engine result and with optimization and website extend content your valuable keyword font content the improved channel the high quality lead generation and search engine optimization tip. The neighbor specific good copy to search engine optimization. Wine markets realize code the large search engine optimization attends new leads someone different should call and the keyword strategy make your content marketing and the search engine serve and targeted keyword and single keyword and attention the just evidence the real estate keyword search engine algorithm. Number two, core block clearance. The more search engine contain search engine optimization and content strategy and sold your campaign blog and resource. A blog content is long for content given the 1200 words more write in your targeted page and each and without keep and suggest. The long page by content is content 300 to 6 word make it on page difference. How to one website tries in high quality blogs and authorize sometimes make an events and social media email marketing and those are the house of Instagram caption LinkedIn post TikTok videos more than candidate post and last weekend search engine engage and post and regulars and quality web select the search on quality and keyword and the low competitor for example what is the post of engage scrolls and me the high quality. Number three, development keyword research strategy and your targeted audience. Understanding your targeted market keyword elements and search engine optimization the large lead generation in create and delegated search into the potential customer. We identify keyword process you can throw the several odd. Use the keyword research tool. The however keyword research tool help the research targeted audience using type of search engine optimization tools can be help create spread relevance keyword process and competitor elements and there's each. Another process the consider date sold the button and search engine valuable process the floater. Number four, to acquire your process candidates. The leading and top search engine result page result high domain authorized which is especially tells search engine that are the town of are the most given traffic. The marketing strategy including blog content traffic has been bred many and increased position and this is the different of most effective sustainable candidate in your business. The last of the five invest in the link building strategy. The backlink are from the site is the drive of more organic traffic, non-paid and true website includes the domain authorized the high building trust exchange result in development. The part of the launch the search engine optimization build your potent exchange your site development things. Part of launching the search engine optimization and campaign leading the great backlinks and number of sources including high quality press content, your PR strategy and local search engine strategy and ranking broken strategy. Friends, number five, very important link building strategy. Number one, high quality please content. Invite will write in the content pre-drafts and when your website clean and reels public organized research and link survey to stay in the severance link PR and news on organic data. The PR strategy. The landing focus the product new article and blog post help the articles and submission the contain the reports and search scalable and strategy. The local search engine strategy. Search engine result provide your business that the close the type of search engine, create the local search engine checking and the crime and your business page and traffic and the backlinks and your to website. If you reach and those and website design for user parameter. Important your search engine optimization lead generation effect to drive and your better result. Search engine forecast your the attach and there's the sales and power B2B and B2C, business to customer and business to business lead generation tools and potential activities for your products and service. With your the right tools, keyword research and content strategy, business on the like your can improve the ranking and high over the search engine strategy and the own paid search engine, paid advertising and effective copy and advertising to ensure your brand. Friends, the very important topics, my presentation, my channel, five tips and improve to search engine lead generation, very important, and the five tools. Number one, neighbor specific good copy, search engine optimization, create a blog calendar, taken your publish care, and five invitation and link building strategy. Thank you my friend, subscribe my channel, best of luck.